She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
You guys, look what I just got. It's my first Starbucks in like probably 3 months and I just spilled it everywhere. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna start another weekly vlog today. It is Sunday the 24th. It's Memorial Day weekend and I am just chilling, relaxing. I'm about to eat my dinner, which you guys just saw is just spaghetti with mushrooms and then my Sprite Zero. So yeah, I don't have a lot planned this week. I just have a couple videos I want to film and I'm gonna go to like a layout. So yeah. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm probably not going to do anything fun except for watch videotapes, YouTube videos tonight. So, okay, bye guys. Okay, why do I look like this? Okay guys, we're headed to Chick-fil-A. I wasn't gonna go because mom was gonna go grab it. Golly, that thing's big. There's just a vulture in the alley, but I wasn't gonna go because mom was gonna go get it. Then I realized the Chick-fil-A app tracks you, so I just got in the car and rode with her. Update, Chick-fil-A was wrapped around like 4 times. So we're at Bojangles. Can I get the Cajun chicken biscuit with the chicken biscuit?
Okay. You want the meal or just the biscuit?
The meal with the Diet Pepsi and a fry with it.
Okay, that's a Cajun biscuit combo meal with french fries and a Diet Pepsi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what else could we fix for you?
That's it.
That'll be it.
Okay. Your total is $561.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, done with that ordeal. Yes, we wore masks when we got to the window. I haven't had one of these in forever. Another thing I miss a lot about Oklahoma and probably my cheat meal for the rest of the week. But yeah, so. Hey guys, what's up? It's a lot later.
Germany.
It's a lot later. Mom cooked dinner. It's a Weight Watchers recipe. I'll show you guys what it is. Why do I look so rough? I just took an Instagram picture. I'll put in here. Super cute. This is hers. Okay. is my camera like not focusing? Hold on. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Ah! So, look what came in the mail. Can you see it? Is it focusing? I don't think you can really see even what it says. You really can't see the, what is it called? The logo. But, I've been wanting to do a living like 24 hours living like Emma Chamberlain video. And I've been waiting for this to come in so I can do it. Which I'll probably film it next week because I'm about to go to the lake. But, I'm so excited. I don't remember how many like came in this order. I got whatever the smallest order was. But here they are. This is what they look like. I'm so late on the trend. I've done, me and Lauren almost got these for me for Christmas, and I've done like a different brand of like cold brew for me and Lauren.
Are you still filming?
Yes, you're supposed to reply.
Oh, I can't wait to taste it. I was trying to be quiet.
Crackhead hours.
Trying to be quiet.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, so it's just, what is this, 5 bags. I think it was like literally like $10 or $12. It was so cheap. I think shipping was free too. But anyway, I'll let you know how I like it. I might do this tomorrow and let you know how it tastes. Because me, like Emma, I am a very big coffee, what do they call it? Not coffee critic.
Connoisseur? No.
Sure, that works. Coffee connoisseur. That's not the word I was thinking of. But I can't remember what it is.
Coffee critic. Whatever.
Whatever. Okay, see you guys in a minute. I really gotta play around with the settings to make sure I'm doing this right. Headed to the lake. Very late. We haven't gone this late to the lake in a while. I think it's around 6. I had to wait on my package, so which we do have. Hey. Anything to say to the tubers?
Oh, it's the tubers. Nothing to say tonight, no words of wisdom.
Okay. Okay guys, it's a lot later, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail from Weight Watchers. Okay, so the first thing I got is a 3-pack of the barbecue potato chips. They're so good. They kind of taste like, I don't even know, kind of like, I guess like kind of like rice cake crisps. I don't know, but they're super, super good. Oop, There's the nutrition facts if you can see. They're so yummy. They're my favorite like salty thing from Weight Watchers. This is my favorite sweet thing. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I should have ordered a 3-pack of these. They're so yummy. They're just caramel chocolate mini bars. They're 2 points a piece. I eat them all the time. And then there's that. Next thing is the blueberry protein muffin mix. It is so good. You just literally put water or milk in it and put it in the microwave for like a minute. And oh my gosh, it's so easy. I do it like all the time in the mornings whenever I'm in school. And it takes literally a minute. The next thing is just protein. This is my favorite protein. It's got 2 Weight Watchers points. And I think it's got like 140 calories. Yeah. So yeah. And then lastly, I ordered a book so I could get some inspiration. I need to start cooking more meals. I'm just getting stuck on just having chicken every night with like broccoli, or having like chicken Alfredo. So yeah, so that's why I got this. So I'm super excited. This actually looks really yummy. I tried, as you guys saw, the cheeseburger, what was it? Oh, cheeseburger pizza yesterday, and that was super good. So yeah. It's like 9:20 now. I'm probably just going to chill, watch some YouTube, and go to bed. Okay guys, long time no talk. It is now Thursday, May 28th. It's 1:15. I've filmed a morning routine. I've finished filming an Instagram video I was doing, and now I'm gonna cook some lunch and just chill. Yesterday I just chilled all day, and yeah, nothing super crazy is happening. I do have a couple packages that I'll be unboxing when I get home tomorrow. But yeah, look how pretty it is today. You guys, look what just came in the mail. I'm literally so excited. I love Smart Sweets so much. These are their new sweet chews. They're supposed to be like Starburst, and I just love them so much. I usually get their sour gummy bears, or sour. If you're looking for something to satisfy your like sweetness, I love sweet stuff, so this has been a huge help for me. And yeah, so this is my first time trying them, so I'm gonna put you guys up here while I try them. I think about like 10 of them come in a pack. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 10 come in a pack. So I'm gonna try the strawberry one. Oh my god, it's so good. Of course it's not the same exact consistency, but so far so good. The pink is watermelon. This is what they look like, if you guys can see. I'm so shook. These are so good. And the last one is mango. So I'll link Smart Sweets down below. They're so good. I've tried all of them and they're all super, super yummy. And they're definitely a great alternative for like Sour Patch Kids, Starburst, whatever it may be.